In this dish, the crunchy toasted almonds go perfectly with the tender and very tasty pieces of chicken. Start by marinating the chicken. For this, cut the flesh of the thighs into pieces of 1 inch thick. You can also use chicken breast or pork loin. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add 1 pinch of salt, some ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix. Oyster sauce is widely used in Chinese cuisine to marinate meats or season stir-fried dishes. Let rest while preparing the other ingredients. Cut the celery in 2 chunks. It will bring freshness and flavor to the dish. We like it crunchy when sautéed. Chop 3 cloves of garlic. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Now, toast the almonds. In a pan heated over medium heat, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the almonds and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. It's better to use raw almonds and roast them yourself. Freshly toasted, they'll have an intense flavor and are more crunchy. When you smell a pleasant aroma of toasted almonds, take them out, leaving the oil in the pan. Add the chopped garlic and grated ginger. Turn to high heat and stir for 10 seconds. Put the chicken pieces. Spread them well. Let's sear for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Flip them. Leave another 1 minute and 30 seconds. Briefly stir. Add the celery, the roasted almonds, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir for 1 minute. Add the 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. Stir for 1 minute. The Shaoxing cooking wine brings a very pleasant special aromatic flavor. Cut the fire. The stir-fried chicken with almonds is ready. Enjoy with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! Celery always brings an incredible flavor to dishes. Here, combined with almonds, their crunch contrasts with the tenderness of the chicken. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.